pretty good one. It's actually a nice one. It is. Oh, come out of that mess. Okay, come on. Let's see what you look like. Come on. Come on. Well, he kind of gave up. Let's see what he's going to do next. It's a decent one. It's a nice one. That's a nice one. That's a really nice one. Yeah, that's a really nice one. Sexy. Sexy, baby. Sexy. That's two. That's a good one. What do you guys think of that? Yes, baby, yes. Sometimes you just gotta be patient, you know? A little patience. Oh, slapped me in the face. I'd say at least 32 inches. It's a nice one. Special spot. Knocks him dead. You put in the work. I put in the work. This one nice. This one's nice. This pole don't mess around. I'm loving it. It's an ugly stick. It's intercoastal. And it kicks butt, man. It does. Alright. I'm going to get this one buttoned. I got one on the stringer. I'm going to let this one go. That's more meat than I can eat. And my buddy's not in town, so